usually not like this.
I know.
It's making me nervous.
I know. I'm just nervous. I feel awkward asking, like, hey, can I get what the person in front of me got? Cheers, bitch! Cheers! 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 You eat fries without spread?
Yeah.
Ew. We can't be friends. I don't know who you are. I'm Sky, for anyone who doesn't know. You already met her, she's kind of a weirdo. Okay, so as you can see from the title, you already know what we're doing. We are going to In-N-Out, and the person in front of us is going to order for us. Actually, it's a left.
Yeah.
Actually, we'll go right.
Oh my
Very
god,
decisive.
dude. She's a great driver.
I am. I'm a good driver.
Says every girl ever. There's not enough food for all the three of us. We're gonna keep
get more.
going around. Yeah. And
Like fat asses.
yeah. Because I've seen the challenges where some people will like just
Get
go
one thing.
Yeah, and they have to split it, and it's like no. I'm starving. I'm gonna eat
I'm hungry.
food. I'm a
starving.
little nervous
Me too.
because
Yeah, are you not doing it, or do you want to do it?
I don't know, I just want my protein style burger.
Okay, so we'll get one for you then.
yeah.
Like, what if they get pickles or some weird shit?
Then you take the pickles off.
No,
Or
but
can
it's
you
not
do
the whole
that?
point of the challenge. Like,
Do you
you're
have
not
to eat
supposed
it?
to. I think you're I think you're not allowed to do that.
I don't mind it. That's
See,
the thing.
I don't care.
Whenever I eat In-N-Out, the scent like radiates off of my skin. for,
Me
like, the next day.
Too.
Like
Me free.
No, seriously though, if you eat any sort of fast food, especially In-N-Out, you
It, like,
smell so
yeah,
bad for
it's
so
so
long.
disgusting. What if it's like a 4x4?
I'm not eating that.
Do you know
shit.
how many guys like get
eat
that?
What is that?
Like Tommy gets that.
Noah gets like a triple meat,
Yeah.
no cheese, grilled onions.
No cheese.
Yeah, he gets no cheese. How
If it's a
dry
hamburger,
is that
I'm
shit?
gonna be so mad.
I know. We're gonna have some fucking problems if it's gonna be a hamburger.
If it's a hamburger.
It's a 4x4.
So it's like, it's 4 patties and 4 cheese.
Ew!
Isn't that
What?
gross?
I just thought it was like 4 leaves.
No, it's
No.
like thick.
It's huge. It's like this big.
It's thick. It's like a
It's
meaty.
a big burger.
I know.
Take a little sip, privacy on the door. I'ma make this shit work. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch nigga, down, bitch, down, bust down, bitch. Said I want your man, motherfucker, don't bitch.
Noah has a full tank right now. What's going on?
That's not like him.
Wow. I'm shocked.
I'm so
Wait, can we just take a moment?
Her
Noah?
boyfriend literally only puts $5 every time
No,
he
but
gets
he
gas.
told me he's not going to do that anymore, which I'm like, okay, I'll see it when I believe it. And I believe it because we did it. Look, this person gave up. Look, they gave up.
Because it's taking so long.
What do we do
I was
if we get
hungry
really
2
bad
hours
food?
ago.
Oh, there's a second person in the car.
Oh, we're lit.
We're good.
We're lit.
We're Gucci. We're Gucci 3000. What are you doing?
Dude, my head hurts so bad.
Life is dependent on you, bro, so order
I
something
keep mixing up
good.
my words. I guess I'm nervous now. Her energy is making me nervous.
Hi.
I'm just sitting looking like a badass.
Oh my god, should I roll down the window and listen to what he's ordering?
Yeah, I want to hear what he's getting. I'm nervous.
Hi. I know this is really weird, but can I get the same thing that the person in front of me got?
So you
Say
want
yes.
double pitcher only, a double single with onions, 2 fries, 2 water?
Sure.
Okay.
And also
And also, can I add one thing to that?
Yeah.
a protein style hamburger
A protein style hamburger
and animal fries without cheese.
and an animal fry without cheese.
Anything else?
That's it.
And is it for the car or do you want it back to go?
To go, please.
Alright, it'll be 17.21 that first window, please.
Perfect, thank you. Who the fuck gets a double-double with ketchup only?
Yeah, what?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Wait, what did we get? A double-double
I don't
with ketchup
remember.
only and 2 fries?
In a single burger?
With onions. Wasn't it that?
I don't know.
She
I'm
said
mad.
something about onions. I heard that.
I guess we'll find out.
Too hot for
No,
me.
it's not.
Yes, it is. 68.
Sophia, it's like 50 degrees outside. Are you psycho?
It's actually 56. Can you put that back there, please?
Thank you.
Thank you. Look, it's my cat.
I'm burping air because I'm so hungry.
Look, it's my cat. When you're so obsessed with your cat, you get your cat on your credit card.
Tootsie.
It's a debit card.
Fantastic.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Alright, so I have a hamburger, double, double seasoning, 2 fries, 1 fry with spread grilled onion, and 2 waters.
Yes.
Alright. Would you like any ketchup or fries?
Can we get spread and
Sorry?
spread, please?
Spread? Yeah, how many would you like?
Like 4.
4?
Yeah. The waters.
Thank God I wanted water.
Me too.
Joey's looking fucking.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's pull over.
Is my protein
They fucked up and they put cheese on it.
Wait, where?
Yeah!
On what? On what?
The double double.
Yeah!
Yes!
That's fucking good. Thank God. The receipt right here.
Oh my God, Sophia.
Okay, 1 hamburger protein style, so that's hers, Cecilia's. 1 double spread, lettuce, tomato, ketchup. 1 double single, 2 fry, 1 fry spread, and grilled onions, 2 waters.
No.
So did we get it right?
I heard him say like hamburger.
Yeah, me
So
too.
it's weird.
Maybe he didn't.
Let's not question the blessing.
Yeah.
Let's just fucking eat. ASMR.
Mm-hmm.
This is like the best like order what they got in front of me ever.
I wish they got fucking something to drink though. Like,
Yeah.
I wish they got a soda.
Yeah. I like a milkshake.
Don't spill her. No, it will kill all of us. I'm not even gonna tell him that we ate in the car.
No, don't.
He's just gonna see this video and
Yeah.
then
He's gonna be like, Sophia, what the fuck?
yeah.
At least you're spilling on yourself.
Where'd it go?
What?
Where'd it go?
I didn't see anything.
Hold on. We're back. My camera decided to overheat. Can I have some fries, please?
I ate the whole thing. She pussied out.
You eat fries without spread?
Yeah.
We can't be friends. I don't know who you are. Wait, what's your Uber horror story?
Oh my God. Okay. So basically,
We talked about this. She needs to tell this story.
oh fuck. That's where the piece of food that I spit out went. We were babysitting, so we were running really late. And we told the Uber, like, hey, like, step on, can you, like, step on it? He was a chill Uber, so we felt comfortable asking, like, hey, can you, like, step on it a little bit? We're kind of in a rush to get there on time. Because we were supposed to get there around, like, 10, but we weren't going to get there till, like, 11. And so,
Do you want any more?
yeah.
Okay.
This guy goes 105 miles per hour on the freeway. 105
I
miles
would be
per hour.
scared for my life.
And we didn't want to tell him to like slow down because like we told him to speed up, you know?
But
we're-
not that much.
No, not that much. So we're both just like looking at each other like we're gonna die. We're gonna die.
Who are you with,
And-
Sabrina?
Yeah. And that was when I got caught sneaking out to the club because my mom like checked my like driving thing. It's a Life 360 app, and so it told her that we were going like 95 miles per hour, and she was like
Freaking out.
yeah, she was freaking out, and like she knew I lied to her, but like long story short, like he was actually going like 105 miles per hour on the freeway because it had like the digital thing that like told you.
That is so scary.
It was so scary, bitch.
And so what did you do?
Nothing we could do.
Oh my god, I have a horrible story. I think it's worse than yours. I think it tops it.
Well, mine's not that bad.
Okay. Uber horror story.
I mean, I'm alive.
Okay, it was Halloween night, and I had never gone to a club before. And my friend Tristan, he DJs, so he was DJing at One Oak. And I never go out. I never go out. Ever. Like, I hate going out. And at this one time, I was like, fuck it, like, whatever, I'll go out, I'll have a good time. Like, it's Halloween, there's something else better to do. So, we didn't Uber there. This girl did, I'm not gonna name her name, but she drove there. And I was with a couple of girls in the car. We were all together, and they were, like, drinking in the car. But I didn't drink because I get really sick when I drink. Like, I get very, very ill.
She's like allergic to alcohol.
I am allergic to alcohol, so I can only really drink beer. So they were drinking like Captain Morgan or something, and I was in the car with them, and I literally took one sip, and I felt so sick. And so this one girl, I'm not gonna name her name, but this one girl on the ride there got so fucked up, like beyond fucked up. Couldn't even talk.
Oh God.
Couldn't walk. And we hadn't even gotten into the club. And so we like get out of the car and she's so fucked up.
Oh my God.
So we pull up to the club and we're like standing there. And this girl is yelling, like screaming, being so obnoxious, just like so crazy, would not shut the fuck up. And the bodyguard is standing like 2 feet away from us, and he can hear everything and see her.
Just, like,
and he's like, if you don't calm down, you're not getting in. Like, we will kick you out. And she's like, shut up. Like, don't tell me what to do.
Oh my God.
I'm fine. Like, leave me alone. And this guy's like, you better calm down. You better calm down, girl. Like, he was literally giving her warnings, and she would not, like, she would just not chill. And so, long story short, he's like, nope, get out of my line. Get out of my line, you're not getting in. And the fucked up part was that everyone that I was with went inside the club and left me with this girl because I wouldn't leave her because we were in Hollywood. And it was Halloween night.
Leave, like, this girl out. If she can't get in, then nobody should get in.
And there's like fucking creeps in Hollywood on Halloween. Like, I was walking down the street with her.
In Hollywood in general, like.
Oh yeah,
not
like
just Hollywood,
I didn't even really like know this girl that well. Like, I know her, and I'm still friends with her to this day. I just don't want to say her name, you know, like, just I'm not gonna say her name. And I'm still friends with her, and
I'm done. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. But I just was like, that's so fucked up how everyone would go in, and I was calling everyone, and I was like, what the fuck? That's like, so she can't get in. I don't know what to do. Like, I'm not gonna leave her. Yeah. She's not fine. She's like gonna throw up. So we're like, I'm trying to get an Uber back to the house because I didn't know what to do at this point. No one was answering the phone. Like, I didn't know what to do.
I would have just gone the fuck home, like.
But, like, I couldn't because I didn't have my car, and I knew I should have drove, but I didn't because I was an idiot. Yeah. So, we're walking down, like, Hollywood. Like, we're walking around Hollywood. I don't even know what street, but we're, like, walking down the street, and all these guys are, like, like, whistling at us, like, staring at us, like, catcalling us, and I'm, like, holding her because she's like this.
Oh, my God,
and I'd, like... This is just so out of my element.
So horrible.
This is why I don't fucking go out.
This is literally a
This is why I don't go out. And
hi, I'm Sky, and my boogers like to drink.
And so we go into this restaurant, and I'm like trying to go to the bathroom because she needs to throw up.
Yeah.
She's like, I need to throw up. I need to throw up. Like, that's the only thing that could come out of her mouth because she was so drunk.
Fuck.
And so in Hollywood, like, you can't go to the bathroom. Like, you have to buy something. Yeah. So I'm standing in line, and she's like literally like going like this, like couldn't even stand up in this restaurant, and everyone's like staring at me, and it was so embarrassing. And I had to fucking buy a water because I had to use the bathroom so she could throw up. Finally, the people that I called in the club are responding back to me, and I'm like, no, I'm leaving. Yeah, fuck you guys. Like, you guys are such horrible friends. Like, I'm not even that good friends with her. You're better friends with her, and you left her. She doesn't end up throwing up in the bathroom, and then she was like, I'm fine. So we get into the Uber.
You should have got her, like, bed.
No, at this point, I wasn't spending any more money on her. I just wanted to get the fuck out of there. And so we finally get into the Uber, and I'm sitting in the front. She's sitting in the back.
Why would you sit in the front?
Because I didn't want to sit in the back with her.
Oh, because if she threw up?
Yeah, I'm not fucking sitting next to her if she yaks, which she did. So,
oh my God.
She fucking rolls the window down, and this car is a white car. A white motherfucking car. And she sticks her head out and just starts profusely fucking vomiting out of her mouth. Like, like all over the car. And I got charged for it.
Yeah.
And I had to literally, she couldn't even unlock her phone. Like, I had to somehow, like, I got into her phone, like, called her sister and was like, hey, I'm one of her friends, like, she's really drunk, like, can I drop, like, what's your address? I need to get her home. Like, blah, blah, blah. I'm in an Uber right now. So I, like, find her address. I'm, like, talking to her sister. I end up dropping her off at home, but I didn't get out of the car. And then I get dropped off at my house. And when I'm walking out to my house, I turn around and I look at the car. The car is literally covered in throw up on the outside. Like a streak of throw up on the side. It was disgusting. Okay, let's go drive to my house now.
Dude, that's so fucking disgusting.
I only have a story. That's the only thing I can remember.
The one that you told me yesterday?
No, I have a story from some weeks ago.
Okay. Tell it.
It's not even that funny, but it's just like I went to a party and it had been a long time since the last time I'd been drinking. So I drank a lot that night. I saw a lot of my old friends and they were like, oh, let's get fucked up. And yeah, let's get fucked up. It's so funny to see each other again. So I asked for to pick me up.
Okay.
And he did. And I haven't even realized that I was really fucked up at that point.
Okay.
So we needed to get like up. We needed to go in his like. What do you say? We need to go to his apartment.
Okay.
And there's like stairs that you have to like go up.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was like falling like down the stairs all the time. And then we got up there. And I just remember I thought it was a dream. But that I really like had to puke. So I woke up and I had just like, I puked it. I had puked in all of his bed. There was puke all over. So he was so angry at me. Like the next day, he was like,
"Oh my god!
What did you do? Like, what the fuck? I don't want to pick you up when you're that drunk that you like puke in my bed."
Oh my god! So did you have to like clean it up? Like when you threw up, did you realize that you were throwing up, or did you just go back to sleep?
I thought it was a dream. Like, so I must have just like, and then I've got
and just rolled over.
Oh my god!
I've done that before. It's really weird.
That is so gross. So I'm in the middle of editing this right now, and totally just realized that the outro video got like deleted, so there's no outro. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super random I don't even know what this video was. It was just a shit show. It was really fun though. We had so much fun. But make sure you check out Sky's channel. I will have her Sky's channel linked down below. It's Skylar Nicole. And follow her on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Like this video and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.